What's up, YouTube? It's Toro Tech, and today I want to talk to you about online presentations. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your next presentation or class rise to the next level. So we've all seen that presentation with the audio that you can't hear, or that video that looks like pixels or textures and lines, and you may actually be one of those individuals, but you think, I don't really have the funds to buy thousands of dollars of computers and cameras. So we've all been in that call where it sounds like the individual has either been in the middle of traffic or in the middle of Times Square, muffled or garbled. Personally, we should all be either using a headset or lavalier mic, and it'll add so much clarity, and you'll be amazed as to the customer or the person that you're presenting to, how engaged with what you're saying, how it changes everything. Secondly, lighting. Put your laptop in front of a window with the window light facing you, and this is going to be in your face with some natural light, and it's going to give a different perspective and a different view and give different warmer light on you. You could even add it to an angle, and you will add that texture or that depth where what you're actually trying to do, or what I'm doing here with all of these lights. You can always use the real handy ring light these days, right? All of them are okay, but if you wanted to step it up, even for free, is the window in front of you. If you put a window in front of you, the outside light window is going to more than adequately light you for your presentation or for your meeting. Cameras, whether it's the laptop camera, whether it's a $2,000 camera, or whether it's a $400 Sony camera, it doesn't matter. But you do want to try to get the best camera that you can get so that it matches that audio, right? So if you can get a 4K webcam, great. It's time to change. So if you can get a 4K camera, please do that. It'll definitely amp up and take your presentation to the next one. So sometimes we can use the video from our laptops, and sometimes we have bad angles, and we're using that laptop and we're having an upward view and we're looking up their nose, some other weird setup, or the camera in the laptop isn't the best quality. So if all you have is that laptop camera system, prop up your laptop on some books or on a shelf and put it out there, and it'll give you a different angle. And with that different angle, it'll give you a bit of a different point of view to your customer, your class, your team meeting, and it's going to look a lot better. Finally, software. Software, I think, is an overlooked item. There's two big ones that I always talk about. I've given classes on. Please take a look at my channel. I've given lots of classes related to OBS Studio, but there's a new one that I also use, and it's called Ecamm Live. Now, I try to get everybody a discount code. They don't really do that, but I will say that they're relatively inexpensive, and Ecamm Live will be everything that you would do in OBS Studio, but pre-packaged. So if you wanted to add graphics, if you wanted to add audio or sound or presentation, you could easily do that within WebEx or Google Meet, right? I would always add those extra pieces of software to help take it even to another level, right? It'll help differentiate you from your competitors if you're in a sales competitive situation. It'll differentiate you from your peers if you're in a situation along those lines. And obviously, if you're giving a class, it will differentiate you and ensure that your class or your students are understanding and engaging and understanding the material in which you're giving. Okay, it's really going to differentiate your video. Lastly, like I'll mention Ecamm Live, OBS Studio. These are all great pieces of software. I currently use them on a Mac without a problem. They also work on a Windows, and they provide a lot of options. And there are a lot of other softwares out there, Streamlabs and things along those lines. But these are just the two that I can recommend because I use them on my normal day-to-day job every day, right? I do presentations and sales meetings and classes, and this is what I use. I'm actually using Ecamm Live right now, and I think it works relatively well. Oh, and if you like content like this, please hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. And as always, please add a comment below. I love to hear from you guys, talk to you guys. Let me hear it. Let's go. I talked to you about a bonus or a tool, and it's called the Elgato Stream Deck. Everybody needs to go ahead and get one of these pieces of item, especially if you're a presenter. It changes your views, it changes the screens, it makes things look very seamless and flow very easily. And they range from $100 to $150 on Amazon or any other store that you can go out there online. Just go ahead and look at Elgato Stream Deck. They have a mini, they have a regular, and then they have an XL. And I would definitely recommend this. This is going to take it to the next level. So as always, please hit me up with any questions, comments, and if you like what you see here, please hit like, comment, and smash that subscribe. I love you.